wondered how investigators track down anyone, anywhere, using the darkest corners of the internet? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on open source intelligence, OSINT, and diving into 15 free tools that let you explore the hidden side of the web. From powerful search engines to anonymous browsers and metadata scrapers, these tools are the backbone of digital investigations. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Use these tools responsibly and legally. When it comes to exploring the hidden corners of the internet, Ahmia is often the very first stop for many investigators and curious users alike. The dark web can seem intimidating, but Ahmia provides a structured and accessible entry point, making the process much less daunting for beginners and professionals. Unlike traditional search engines like Google or Bing, Ahmia is designed specifically for the Tor network. It indexes only .onion sites. These are special websites that can only be accessed through Tor, ensuring privacy and anonymity for users who want to browse hidden services. One of Ahmia's standout features is its commitment to safety. It actively filters out illegal content, scams, and malicious sites, so you're less likely to stumble upon dangerous or harmful material. This makes your search experience not only more focused, but also significantly safer. With Ahmia, you can search for a wide range of information: names, emails, keywords, or even specific topics linked to a person or organization of interest. This targeted approach is invaluable for researchers, journalists, and anyone conducting investigations. The interface is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly, making it easy for newcomers to navigate. Plus, Ahmia is updated regularly, so you always have access to the latest and most relevant results from the dark web. If you're looking to explore the dark web in a secure and responsible way, Ahmia is truly your best first step. It's a trusted gateway that balances accessibility with safety, helping you start your journey with confidence. OnionLand Search is a powerful tool that allows you to dig much deeper into the dark web's vast and mysterious ocean of .onion sites. Unlike regular search engines, OnionLand is specifically designed to navigate the hidden corners of the internet, where anonymity and secrecy are the norm. It indexes information that is often completely buried from surface-level searches, making it possible to access hard-to-find forums, underground marketplaces, and even data leaks that would otherwise remain invisible to most users. This makes OnionLand invaluable for researchers, journalists, and cybersecurity professionals. With OnionLand, you can look up usernames, specific phrases, or even obscure website titles, making it perfect for tracing digital footprints, investigating suspicious activity, or uncovering connections between hidden online identities. OnionLand often uncovers sites and services that other search engines completely miss, which is crucial for confirming the existence of hidden services and understanding the full scope of the dark web's ecosystem. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always use this tool ethically and within the boundaries of the law. Misusing it can have serious consequences. OnionLand can reveal highly sensitive or even illegal content, so always proceed with caution. Be mindful of what you access and protect your own privacy at all times. Darksearch.io is often called the Google of the dark web. It offers advanced search capabilities with a simple interface, making it accessible for all investigators. Enter a search term, like an email or Bitcoin address, and get relevant results in seconds. Darksearch.io provides real-time indexing and even previews results on the surface web, reducing your risk. No need for Tor to access its results, making dark web exploration safer and easier. No dark web investigation can begin without the Tor browser. This specialized browser is the essential gateway for anyone looking to explore the hidden corners of the internet. Unlike regular browsers, Tor is specifically designed to keep your online activities private and secure, making it the tool of choice for journalists, researchers, and privacy enthusiasts alike. Tor channels your traffic through a global network of encrypted nodes, bouncing your data from server to server. This process hides your identity, making your activity nearly impossible to trace. Each connection is layered with encryption, so not even the nodes themselves know both where your data comes from and where it's going. Getting started is straightforward. Simply download the Tor browser from the official website, install it on your device, and launch the application. Within minutes, you'll be ready to access the hidden layers of the internet, far beyond what's available on the surface web. Tor automatically protects your location and masks your IP address, allowing you to browse .onion sites that are invisible to standard search engines. This means you can visit forums, marketplaces, and resources that are completely inaccessible through regular browsers, all while maintaining your anonymity. This level of anonymity is crucial for sensitive research, whistleblowing, or investigating topics that require discretion. However, it's important to remember that Tor is also used by bad actors, so you must always stay vigilant and cautious while browsing. Never download files or click on unknown links without verifying their safety first. Malicious downloads and phishing attempts are common on the dark web, so always prioritize your security and use trusted sources whenever possible. The Hidden Wiki acts as a master directory of .onion addresses, organized by category. It's often the starting point for OSINT investigators, offering a current map of the dark web's shifting landscape. Quickly scan for sites related to your investigation, or just explore what's out there. Not every link is safe. Some may lead to illegal content, so tread carefully. Always double-check addresses and never enter personal info on unknown pages. The Hidden Wiki is your digital compass. Use it wisely. Haystak is a powerhouse search engine built for the dark web, indexing millions of hidden pages and forums. It offers advanced searches and filters, making it a go-to for tracing subjects or stolen data. Haystak's massive database brings structure to the chaos of the dark web. The interface is fast and precise, saving you time on irrelevant results. Popular among cybersecurity pros and journalists, Haystak is essential for serious OSINT work. Use its power responsibly and ethically. OnionScan is your X-ray for the dark web, scanning .onion sites for vulnerabilities and connections. It maps out links between sites, revealing relationships and potential weak spots. You can see if sites share servers, SSL certificates, or back-end code, crucial for connecting the dots. OnionScan is open source and customizable for your specific needs. It transforms the dark web from a maze into a web of connections. ExifTool is a must-have for OSINT investigations, extracting metadata from images and documents. Find hidden details like camera model, GPS coordinates, and creation dates in files from dark web forums. This tiny data can unravel entire cases or verify authenticity of leaks. ExifTool is fast, free, and works on almost any system. It lets you see what's hiding in plain sight. SpiderFoot automates intelligence gathering across the internet, including the dark web. Enter a target, like an email or username, and SpiderFoot digs deep, pulling data from hundreds of sources. It scans forums, marketplaces, and correlates information into detailed reports. SpiderFoot's automation saves hours, and its modular design lets you customize scans. For serious OSINT, SpiderFoot is a game changer. Recon-ng is a modular framework for OSINT pros, letting you plug in tools to collect and analyze data from across the web. It has specific modules for dark web research, scraping .onion sites and analyzing leaked data. The command line interface has a learning curve, but it's worth it for powerful automated investigations. Recon-ng helps you map digital footprints with precision. Take your OSINT skills to the next level with Recon-ng. Maltego is the gold standard for visualizing relationships in data, especially on the dark web. Its drag-and-drop interface lets you map networks in clicks, pulling data from multiple sources. Each connection is a node, giving you a bird's-eye view of digital ecosystems. Start with an email and expand outward, uncovering usernames, posts, or Bitcoin wallets. Maltego turns chaos into clarity for visual thinkers. Have I Been Pwned lets you check if your data, or someone else's, has ended up in a dark web breach. Enter an email or username to see if it's been involved in known leaks. For OSINT, it's a valuable starting point, revealing breached accounts and connections. Fast, free, and constantly updated, it's essential for digital security. Intelligence X is a search engine for the digital underground, indexing the dark web, leaked documents, and deleted content. Search across multiple sources with a single query, perfect for finding data dumps and hidden forums. Filter by date, source, or file type for laser-focused results. Search for specific strings, like credit card numbers or keywords, across huge datasets. Intelligence X turns the dark web into a searchable, organized library. Tails OS is a fortress for sensitive investigations, running from a USB stick and leaving no trace. Every session is fresh and secure, with all traffic forced through Tor. No data is stored locally, so you can browse and collect OSINT without digital footprints. Tails comes with essential tools pre-installed, like Tor browser and encryption software. For extreme privacy, Tails OS is a must. Hunchly is the digital notebook for dark web investigators, automatically capturing every page you visit. Tag pages, add notes, and search your archive by keyword or URL for structured, searchable case files. Hunchly tracks timestamps, page changes, and screenshots, crucial for legal or journalistic investigations. Never miss a lead or lose a record of your research. Hunchly keeps your OSINT workflow airtight and organized. We've just explored 15 of the most powerful, free OSINT tools for the dark web. Whether you're a journalist, cybersecurity enthusiast, or just curious, these tools open up new possibilities. Use them ethically and within the law. Always respect privacy and never use your skills for harm. Stay curious, stay safe, and subscribe for more deep web and OSINT content.